really need. My heart bleeds one day. My heart I really need.
Here we are, Okmulgee.
Where are we at?
We're in Okmulgee. We're about to do our first. Well, what did you do prior? Let's talk about what we did.
Onyx.
No. We stopped at a shooting range, but there was no like personnel, attendant, someone of power up there. But these two guys were shooting. So I told Ian to hop his little butt out of the car and just try to ask anyone, you know? And so he did. What did they tell you?
I said the further in you walk, the better, which is what most people say. So we're gonna walk in.
Let me know, how far in is far enough?
The further, the better.
What does that mean? Like go in the center?
Just keep going until you can't go anymore.
We're gonna enter and do our first little walk to a clearing. Let's hope that it's actually clear. Let's do a fit check.
Well, look.
You've got the orange beanie. Sporting the Coors shirt. Not sponsored. Coors sponsor us.
I'm gonna say in Alabama, not Colorado. So.
We've got the binos. Sporting the binos, the Vortex. Shoo!
Also not a sponsor.
We've got the Lems. Dang, saucy.
People are gonna be like, those aren't hunting boots.
And the chinos.
You're a fake. You're a fake. You know what I have to say to them?
Let's show them my outfit of the day. We've got the Pippi Longstockings going on. We've got the vest. Okay.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new. Magellan. Boom. Got the leggings. We've got the long socks. And we got the Ariat waterproof hiking boots, baby. We're ready to go.
So let's go.
Let's go.
I think it's a little too full for me, dog. Might be doable if we had a tree stand. Like there's a pretty thick tree back here,
That one.
and it looks like there's not really any branches on it going up. So I think you could, climb it fairly easily and have room to put something. But I don't have a tree stand. Nor do I know how to put up a tree stand. Nor do I feel like falling because I put up a tree stand and I don't know how to put it up. It's kind of hard too to scout an area if you're going to use a tree stand without getting up there and scouting from
Yeah.
up there, because I don't know what it looks like from up there. I only know from right here, and this is all I see. I mean, I could do this. I could do... That's the best I got, you know?
One more?
I think on to the next spot.
Alrighty.
What do you say?
On to the next. How are you feeling if the next one looks like this too?
A little scared.
So are you feeling like you'll still want to go check out all the other ones? Or
Yeah.
do you have like a feeling that, man, that they all might be that way?
No, we're here.
Okay,
I'm
let's
doing
go.
it.
Let's go then.
Pound town. Pound town.
Okay, on to the next destination.
All
The next
right.
clearing.
All right, Pound town. Let's go. Not happening either.
We found a little tree stand, ladder stand. He's going, oh God. Not me.
This is the way to do it.
Yeah? Well, can you see over there?
No, but I can see all this.
Oops.
Real good.
So many bugs. Oh, oh, that scared me. All right, stop number 2, which was maybe like 5 minutes up the ways from stop number 1. We're gonna check it out, see what we can crawl over, climb over. What?
Just try. Boot print, a
Look.
paw print, and a hoof print.
Look at what I found. Oh yeah, there are paw prints. That's a paw print, and that's a hoof. Hoof.
So we know they're awesome. Ew, what is that? Look at the bug.
Where?
See you later, dude.
You can see her walking. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. This is stop number 3. just up this hill through the woods to Grandma's house.
Grandma's house?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Isn't that up the hill and through the woods to Grandma's house we go? You've never heard that?
No.
Oh, dumb. Blockhead. Huh?
Hmm?
Did you hear that? It was a deer. It said blockhead. Well, I didn't really show you Site 3. Well, I didn't even show you the clearing of Site 3 because it was boo-boo. We're heading back down to the car. I don't know if you can see the car, but we're picking a different spot now. We drove a crazy, janky road for a boo-boo spot. This is stop number 4. This is the path. So we're just gonna follow the path to the clearing, make a quick look, and then head back because we don't know if we're gonna get towed or not sitting here.
What the hell you think you're doing?
You're parked in a no parking zone, creep.
The whole place a no parking zone, crater face.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah!
So
I don't think so. I haven't seen any no parking spot or like no parking signs.
yeah, but wild people like to do wild things sometimes in the wild. So let's walk this path together. Is that it? Wow. This looks nice. This looks like somewhere where they would go and just lay down, hang out in the sun.
Even when I went to the Skyline WMA,
Uh-huh.
another WMA here, there were some that were kind of like this. You could tell it's more,
Like grassy.
grassy. A little. This is lower than those ones even.
Oh.
This is more open, but
Oh, okay. I think they come here. That's a hoof.
yeah.
You can see the shape.
Yeah.
They do come here. Okay, this could be something to just kind of sit and watch. I guess, you know who you were asking me about the blinds?
Mm-hmm.
I guess, like, if you put one there, I guess if you did get one, it would be nice.
There.
Yeah, or back there, yeah. Yeah, they're definitely coming in. They're eating the grass and stuff, probably.
Now this looks like they like we saw that print, so they're here. But this is so easy to get to. I feel like other people are gonna be here.
Coming here? Yeah.
And it might be so accessible that the deer might not come here as much once people start. And I don't know, it's an option.
Just gotta give them munchies. Here, dearie, dearie.
It's an option, yeah.
Okay, so how are you feeling?
Feeling like it's a good spot. We're gonna keep trying to go check out a few more. slowly getting to the point where we're gonna have to leave because it's getting. I mean, it's not getting dark yet, but it's getting.
It's getting there.
Slowly. But I think this is a good, easy option, convenient. Yeah, we're gonna check out a few more and see how those go.
Yeah.
But compared to the other two WMAs that I've looked at, I definitely feel like this is our best bet.
Yeah.
So I think somewhere in this general area is where we're gonna be.
Cool. So we'll see you at stop number 5. Stop number 5, which is not even a minute away from stop number 4, which was over there. So
We're going down the drain.
oh no.
Just like all my money.
No money, honey. Okay, we're gonna book it.
Yeah.
Can't.
Too thick.
Yeah.
And it's also right off the road, which I feel like will be somewhat of a deterrent. We already have one right off the road that's easy to get to. I guess we don't really need another one.
Yeah, this
We
one
have
is
an easy
literally,
option.
it's literally just right over all of this stuff. So I think this one is much closer to the road than the other one.
Yeah, I mean, we know where it is too if for some
Yeah,
reason
we want to go.
try to go look at it. But all right, we're going to keep moving.
Number 6. Come here. Come on. There you, come here, over here. Hurry, come on. Come over here, Papas. Come here, Papas. Yes, Papas, go over there. Go over there. You want to go over there? You scared? Come here, Papas. Oh, it's okay. Come on, babies. Come here. Uh-oh, what happened, babies? What happened? Were you scared? Were you scared?
So,
Yeah, so
we were driving
uh-huh.
to spot, what is it, 4, 5, 6, something.
Uh-huh.
And then there was a figure in the road, a shape, a shadow, a silhouette. And that silhouette is right there.
Oh. Say hello to Buster. All right, y'all.
He's malnourished, no collar, looks like a baby still.
I think we're gonna take him home. We can't leave our mans like that. He's so little. Look.